Hello Tinies, welcome back to the channel. You have seen countries on a map, but can you recognize them without any labels? Let's see if you can guess the country just by its shape. Before starting, please subscribe Tiny Wonders 8 for more exciting quizzes. Let's go for easy level. Guess this country by its shape. Russia, China, Canada. It's A. Russia. Can you guess this country? India, USA, Spain. It's A. India. What country is this? Mexico, United States, Canada. B. United States. Can you guess this country? Turkey, South Korea, China. It's C. China. What country is this? Italy, Spain, Greece. A. Italy. Let's go to the medium level. Can you guess this country? Colombia, United States, Canada. It's C. Canada. Which country is this? Austria, Germany, Switzerland. It's B. Germany. Can you guess this country? Mexico, Peru, Argentina. It's A. Mexico. What country is this? New Zealand, South Africa, United States. It's B. South Africa. Guess this country by its shape. Morocco, Algeria, Egypt. It's C. Egypt. Now check your knowledge with hard level. Do you know this country shape? Greece, Turkey, Italy. It's A. Greece. Guess this country by its shape. Norway, Sweden, Finland. B. Sweden. Greece, Saudi Arabia, Turkey. It's C. Turkey. Do you know this country shape? Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Egypt. It's A. Saudi Arabia. Do you know this country shape? Colombia, Jamaica, Cuba. It's C. Cuba. Now it's time to impossible level. Guess this country by its shape. Iraq, Mongolia, Indonesia. It's A. Iraq. Can you guess this country? Germany, Austria, Czech Republic. It's B. Austria. What country is this? Japan, North Korea, South Korea. It's C. South Korea. Guess this country by its shape. Belgium, Sweden, Netherlands. It's A. Belgium. Can you guess this country? Germany, Netherlands, Iceland. B. Netherlands. Thanks for watching our video.